Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist David Wire, certified by the American Meteorological Society.
Good afternoon, everybody. 11 minutes after the hour, we've got rain and thunderstorms to talk about, but let me get this out of the way. We're in the 70s for temperatures, and of course it's cloudy outside pretty much everywhere, and anywhere from 70 to 75 degrees, and yeah, it's still pretty muggy outside. Rain showers are north of I-70 right now for us here at home. We've got some scattered rain showers just west of Flora, around the Effingham up to Charleston area, so heading to the north and back out to the east a little bit right now. Right now, it's quiet in Richland County, southern Jasper County, as well as Crawford, Lawrence, and essentially into eastern Clark County. You did get close to an inch of rain down here in some areas. The heaviest rain fell from Flora westward, and the most I saw on the radars out of central and southern and western Illinois were close to 2 inches of rain near St. Louis early on this morning. So again, none of this is essentially really welcome, but it's what's out there for the forecast. These rain showers up here to the north are not real heavy, but they're a light, steady rain shower up here again along Highway 36. And again, rainfall totals are staying less than a half inch in most of the areas up that way. It's quiet in Knox, Davies, Greene, Martin counties, southern Owen, and again, a lot of us seeing some dry weather right now, but also down to the south, we need to make mention of this. Remember early on, I was talking this morning about a severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect around St. Louis and southward. That has moved off to the east, and that does include southern Indiana, but it does not include anybody watching us, at least at this hour. Our lower 6 counties, Clay, Richland, Lawrence, Knox, Davies, and Martin counties, you're going to see heavier thunder showers than somebody along I-70, but not as heavy as, say, somebody down around Evansville and along the Ohio River, down into, say, Henderson, Kentucky, and points even farther to the south. That's the current watch we've got right now. That's in effect until 6 o'clock Eastern time, 5 o'clock Central time, and again, that's for extreme southern Indiana, just south of Vincennes, Olney, and Flora, south of basically our neck of the woods here. Look at this. That's that line of thunderstorms that's continuing to move off to the east, but notice this. This is that northern edge of that watch box, if you will, and notice that, again, our counties, some of you down that way are watching right now. The far northern edge of this line, I'll have this stop right here. And again, the far northern edge of this, well, extends about a county north of that line. So it wouldn't be out of the question for the National Weather Service, the next watch box that they issue, to be farther to the north. I don't think they will unless this continues to grow to the south. Now, rain showers are as far north as Interstate 74. What this means for today is the afternoon thread in the area that I've got highlighted, which is for most and everybody watching right now, while the severe weather thread's greatest to the south. That doesn't mean we're not going to see gusty winds, potentially small hail, and again, some heavy rain, especially in those counties just a little bit farther to the south. And again, that's going to be Clay, Richland, Lawrence, Knox, Davies, and Martin. You're going to see the most rain, and I know you probably don't want it either. There's a lot of farm fields down that way that are just too wet, but that's the truth of the day here. Again, we're going to keep our eyes on this line. That's what we've got to watch, and I tell you what, I would not want to be in Kentucky with this. This one is going to be producing a lot of heavy rain showers. That is a nasty line of storms. And again, it's thankfully to our south, but unfortunately going to be rolling through plenty of farmers down that way as well. So we'll keep our eyes on that one for you. That's really priority number one for us today, your severe weather threat. This is a no-brainer here. We've got thunderstorms for everybody's forecast. The threat for severe weather still extends even north of Interstate 74. So we're not out of the woods just yet by any means, and definitely going to keep an eye on it. So rain, thunderstorms, some of which could become severe right now, and over the next few hours, the best threat for severe weather looks to stay to our south. But with us just being right on the northern edge of that, no way we're going to rule that out for you today. Temperature staying in the 70s. 67. Scattered rain and thunderstorms tonight. Chances for rain decrease as we get into the day tomorrow. Again, 83 degrees. It'll warm up a little bit, a little more sunshine. And as the chances for rain decrease the end of the week, the temperatures increase. And so I've got nothing but